Are you getting Nintendo Switch error code 2162-0002? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart Nintendo Switch. When you get Nintendo Switch error code 2162-0002, first of all, restart the Nintendo Switch. To do so, press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then wait for some time. Power the switch on and check. Method 2. Install latest system updates. From the home menu of your Nintendo Switch, open System Settings. Scroll down to System and select it. Select System Update. Your device will start checking for the latest available update and automatically download it. You can check for the current version of the update displayed under the System Update button. Method 3. Detach the Joy-Con controllers. You can also detach the Joy-Con controllers from the Nintendo Switch console. Flip the Nintendo Switch over and locate the small black button on the top of each Joy-Con controllers. Press and hold this button down to unlock the Joy-Con. Slide the Joy-Con up to remove it from the console. Repeat the process for the other Joy-Con controllers. While the Joy-Con controllers are still detached, follow these steps to unsync them. Press the sync button once on each Joy-Con. Then press any other button on each controller to power it on again. This will ensure that the controllers are no longer paired with the console. Now, reattach the Joy-Cons. Slide the Joy-Cons back into the console. Ensure they are correctly oriented and inserted all the way. Your Joy-Cons should now be able to connect to your console. Test them to make sure they are working properly. Remember that the console must be powered on during this process. Method 4. Reset the console to its factory settings. A factory reset helps to fix dire issues related to the Nintendo Switch. The entire process resets the software. If you want to reset your console without deleting the saved data, here is how to do it. Hold the volume up and down buttons on the Nintendo Switch. Now press the power button simultaneously to take the Switch in the maintenance mode. When the maintenance mode screen opens, release the volume buttons. Next, select the Initialize console without deleting the Save Data option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the factory reset is complete, the Nintendo Switch will boot its default factory settings. Method 5. Update the game. If you are getting Nintendo Switch error code 2162-0002, then update the game. To do that, from your home screen, select the problematic app or game. Make sure not to launch it. Press the Add or Plus button of your controller and then click on the Software Update option. Go to the right panel and click on Via the Internet option. Wait for the process to get completed. Afterwards, check if you are getting the Nintendo error again. If the error persists for the game, re-download it. Method 6. Reinstall the game. If the above steps don't work, you may need to delete the problematic software and re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. To uninstall a game or application, from the home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. On the right-hand side, select Manage Software. Choose the game or application you want to uninstall. Select Delete Software. Confirm by selecting Delete when prompted. To reinstall a game or application, open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to re-download. Find the game or application you want to reinstall and select the download button next to it. Remember, deleting a game will not delete your saved data, which is tied to your Nintendo account. You can re-download the game anytime and resume from where you left off. Method 7. Use Nintendo's official accessories and controllers. To avoid errors and issues related to Nintendo Switch, using official Nintendo accessories and controllers is important. Third-party accessories might not work seamlessly or could cause compatibility issues. So, stick to genuine Joy-Cons, Pro controllers, and other official gear for the best experience. You should also check your accessories and controllers for any visible damage. If you have multiple controllers or accessories, try using different ones. Method 8. Book a repair. If the methods shown in this video could not fix the error, then book a repair at Nintendo Service Center. You can click on this link, select your Nintendo Switch model, and then follow the on-screen instructions to book a repair. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2162-0002. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.